Part 2 of the Chronicle of Chicken. Remember in part 1 I state that chicken is the species that chicken come from. They cross the vulture, which is the crow that clean the land, which are literally scavenger, because the intention is to change the DNA strand so that we are dehumanized and eat each other literally. Sooner or later, if you continue to eat this meat, you will start eating humans and seeing it as norm. This is why they are selling you now donkey meat in the bully beef tins, and they're gonna sell you all kind of meat, even human waste body meat. This is why they sell you placenta in addictive drinks like the pep and the co, the finish, fill the blank space in. So now I'm gonna give you a real chronicle about the part 2, the chronicle of chicken. Remember, your same colonizer Bible, truth is in it, because the Bible told you that you must not eat birds with web feet, birds that clean, don't eat vulture. Look for that word in the Bible. Type in the word Bible, vulture in the Bible. They said you must not eat birds that watch the night, like the night owl. No, we are eating vulture. Look at this. They all can walk. See, they say they last for 6 weeks and then you slaughter. If you let them go over 6 weeks, by they reach 8 weeks, everybody in here start drop dead. They eat until they die. Why? Look at them. They are panting. I saw a lady the other day in the market. This is how she was behaving. She walked up the market step in Mandeville Market, and this is how she was behaving. Panting heavily. Very heavy. Let me zoom it in. Oh, you stop because you see I'm okay, let me do this one. Because what happened, the more fat cells, not adipose, but bad fat cells increase the pressure on your heart, liver, and all your vital organs. It makes breathing very difficult. Not only that, look, the feces they pass is high in ammonia. So it also make breathing difficult. Same like how in Bogue housing scheme in Jamaica, you live on one side of the scheme, but you shit on the other side. On the other side is a water there on the highway that, yeah, the sun. The sun cleans that water, but not so fast, so that the shit does not come just a highway away, just one road step away from you. Look, very similar. As I said, they provide you with liquor food to eat. Yes, govern your mental, the government. You stay satisfied with the water. See that water that we provide for them, we put medicine in it, which is the same as the chemical. The other day, the chemical throw away, and I leave it on the floor, and when I was trying to move it with a push broom and chemical, it stuck there like a oil paint. So you want to tell me when you cook this bird, you're still not consuming that chemical? You want to convince me? Hey, people, listen to me. I know everybody ready for the information here. And guess what? This is why I don't even believe in eating chicken nor rearing them anymore, because you cannot rear these chicken and get this weight without using the same back feed with the hormones in it, because they program these birds. They are cyborg, half human, half robot. Without this feed, they cannot perform. They cannot perform because they program a DNA strand in them to feed with the secret ingredients within these feed. Anybody want to hear? Let them hear. The truth cannot be told, only can be realized. And as one generation blame the other, the next one is coming to follow. Look, they lie and eat all day, like the persons in the so-called land of milk and honey, the Lala land of lie, wretchedness. They build the land on war and blood and tell you in God we put our trust, in God, in gold, oil and dollar. Oh, you think it was your God, right? You better find your God, a year that is within yourself, because a lot of you not even ready for the world here. You think the world here just sweet with all sunshine as you see it? Listen, my people, this one is not for the one that is sleeping. It's for the one that want to dream, but no, before you dreaming, you have to first fucking wake up. Have a peaceful day. Knowledgeable. True Virgin.